Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you all doing well. In this video, I'll show you a simple painting technique on polymer clay. These steps I recorded are optional. I just want to create a background design on the clay base. You can create anything you wish, or you can directly work on solid clay colors too. So basically I took a white thick clay base. I'm randomly placing small thinner pieces of different shades of grey colored clay, some darker, some lighter. Then flatten the slab using a clay roller. In this particular technique, I am using this floral acrylic stamp. You can use any stamp or even texture sheet which gives a nice embossed effect on your clay. Spray water on the stamp before placing it on the clay. It acts as a release agent. Then press the stamp using an acrylic block or use a roller. It's better to cut your slab into small portions according to your stamp size. Otherwise, we again have to flatten the rest of the slab to reuse it. Cut the shape you like. I'm using these markers. Ink flows to the work surface when you press the tip of the marker. Then you can apply it like a paint. If your marker has a tiny tip, you can directly use it on the embossed design. Just carefully paint the ink on the design. You can even fill it in the spaces. There are two ways you can do this. You can either paint on the raw clay, like I'm doing now, and then bake, or you can bake the clay first with an embossed design for 45 minutes, then paint the marker and again bake for 15 minutes so the ink adheres properly. It's better to test first using markers on a sample piece because some markers tend to react with polymer clay and they remain sticky even after baking. So all these were fully baked. For all the bottom pieces, I used markers on the raw clay. Based on the overall result, here are some brands which worked very well. I cannot spell these names correctly, so I am including them on the screen. The top two were painted after baking. If you find any other compatible marker to the brand of clay that you are using, please do share in the comments. This one is my favorite. I used darker shades on the border and filled it with lighter shades. Also, the base is solid white. It makes the design pop. Don't forget to seal with varnish as a final protection step. Thank you for watching.